Take command of the road in the 2018 Honda CR-V. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. When road conditions become unpredictable, rely on all-wheel drive to maintain outstanding control. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop in and take a test drive.